Want to set up onboarding on Discord? In this video, I will show you how to set up onboarding on Discord. First of all, you want to head over to any web browser and go to discord.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now head over to your server. Here, click on the server settings. Next, go to Enable Community and click Get Started. Then select Verified Email Required and any other required options. Now click Next. Answer these setup questions as you like, then click Next. Agree and understand, then click on Finish Setup. You'll now see the onboarding option. Click on that, now click Check It Out, and then click Got It and Next. In this step, select the channel new members will have access to. Choose the ones you want, then click Next and Got It. Now set up the pre-join questions. You can add question members' answers before joining. Set answers, assign channels, assign rows, and optionally add emojis. Then click Save. For multiple choice questions, you can enable that. Mark questions as required if needed. You can also add post-join questions for after members join. Then click Next. Now you want to set up welcome sign. Choose the members who see it. Write your welcome message and click Save. You can customize this message any way you like. Now set new members to do. Add at least 3 to 5 tasks for new members such as visiting a channel or sending a message. Add tasks one by one and click Save. You can also add custom thumbnails if you want. Next, if you want, you can add resource pages, but this step is optional. Once done, click Next. Now make sure your server has a welcome message and at least 3 tasks. Edit or add tasks as needed, assign channels and click Save. Finally, you're ready to enable onboarding. You can preview it first or just click Enable Onboarding. Now you'll see an onboarding active on your Discord server. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.